Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made my delicious vanilla Swiss roll. So guys, do not forget to hit that subscription button and turn the notification bell on. So guys, stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright guys, I'll be introducing all the ingredients to you guys as we go along. Here I have 5 egg whites. I'll go ahead and whisk up everything together, and to that egg white I'll be adding some of 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm using 1/4 cup, but I'm adding some of it. I'll be saving some for later. And I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll also be adding half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'll mix everything up until they are very fluffy, and I will set it aside. And next I'll be whisking the egg yolks, 5 egg yolks. I'll whisk that up, and I'll be adding the remaining sugar, the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'm adding 2/3 cup of cake flour. Then I'm adding 1/4 cup of milk, and I'll mix everything up. And for extra flavor, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using pure vanilla extract. So once everything is combined, I'll go ahead and mix them up with the white egg that I whisked up earlier. I'll go ahead and continue mixing everything until they are all well combined together, and I'll pour them in my baking pan. So the baking pan, I sprinkled in a little bit of cooking spray, non-sticky cooking spray, so it doesn't stick. So now we'll go ahead and pour everything in, and using the spatula to spread them out evenly. So once everything has been well spread out, I'll go ahead and give it a little dab, like shake it up until everything level up. I will bake this on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, and after 1 hour, this is what the Swiss roll is looking like. I went ahead and flip them over with my clean towel, clean kitchen towel. So I sprinkle in some sugar, powdered sugar. I'll go ahead and roll them up, and after rolling this up, I will set them aside while we go ahead and mix up our batter, the filling that will be going inside. So I will set that aside to cool down completely. The next step will be mixing the filling. Here I have heavy whipped cream. So I'm using 1 cup of heavy whipped cream and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. And I'll whisk everything up until they are well combined and so fluffy. So here is the Swiss roll. It has completely cooled off. I will gently unroll them, and I will be adding my filling. So the filling is not that thick. You can whisk your filling until it becomes so thick. So I don't really want it to be so thick. So at this point, you can add any topping of your choice, like fruits, but I choose to add some sprinkles. Yeah, so you can add any filling of your choice, like strawberry, Yeah, any fruits that you choose to, you can do that definitely. So but I'm just adding a little bit of sprinkles to that. So I'm rolling them gently because I don't want them to break up, and I'm folding my kitchen towel because I don't want the other part of it to spill on it, because at the end of it some of it is gonna spill out, so I don't want that to go into the kitchen towel. So here I have it all wrapped up. I'll go ahead and use some plastic wrap and wrap it up properly, and I will set it in my fridge for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Yes, once everything is completely wrapped up, I put it in my refrigerator to let it rest completely and form very well for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 good hour, this is what it's looking like. So I'll go ahead and add some powdered sugar over that, and this is optional. You can just eat the stuff the way it is right now. It's all ready and good to go, but I just want to like add a little bit of sweetness to that by adding some powdered sugar, and I'm adding some heavy whipped cream. So like I said, this is completely optional, and I'm also drizzling in some strawberry maple syrup and also a little bit of sprinkles all over again. So guys, you can completely skip this part that I'm doing. So this is ready, looking so delicious, and it tastes so amazing. I'll go ahead and slide this open, and this is just it. So simple, so delicious. You can make your own Swiss roll at home. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys had fun hanging out with me in my kitchen. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, and you're very welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back all the time. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. I will see you guys on my next video. I hope you guys try making this Swiss roll at home, and I will see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.